Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Begin by washing and towel drying hair until damp. Use a leave-in conditioner or a dime to nickel-sized serum on the ends to reduce frizz. Detangle from ends upward with a wide tooth comb, working out knots gently. Section hair into 3 even parts about 1 inch wide at the crown and clip the outer sections away while you style. Smooth each section with light tension so the braid will lie flat. Plan for 4 to 6 hair ties and 1 bobby pin for a tidy finish. Start the 3-strand braid by holding the 3 sections, left, middle, right. Cross the right strand over the middle strand and then the left strand over the new middle, repeating this right over middle, left over middle pattern. Keep steady, even tension and maintain 1-inch sections so each crossover matches the rest for a uniform look. Adjust your grip every 2 to 3 crosses to keep the braids straight and avoid twisting. When you reach 3 to 4 inches from the ends, secure with an elastic and smooth stray hair. To vary the style, try a fishtail by splitting hair into 2 sections and taking 1/2-inch strand from the outer edge of one side across to the other. Repeat down the length. For a Dutch braid, cross strands under instead of over for a raised look. To create volume, loosen the braid by gently pulling the outer loops until it appears about 25% wider, working from the bottom up. Finish with 1 spritz of light hairspray, secure stray hairs with a bobby pin, and wrap with a silk scarf for overnight protection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.